I have no, I don't have some synchronization. Two signals are having distant different times. So sometimes I want to synchronize two signals. What I'll do, I'll it's not possible to delay this signal 10.1001. I'll try to speed up it, but it's not able to speed up. What I'll do, I'll keep some delay here. Delay delay circuit in the top. What is the delay? I'll have to delay it by 1 minute. 1 minute delay. Getting? So what is happening in the delay? I can give delay by lot of buffers. Lot of buffers. If I have 20 buffers giving 1 second delay, I need for 1 minute I need 20 buffers 1 second. So 60 second means 20 into 60 buffers. That is 1200. Something example. Okay. So this I can use for delay. I can use a buffer circuit. Not only it gives delay, it can give a strengthen the signal also. Okay. Then only my output will be synchronized. This output what I can get will be synchronized. No, Kanaya is amplifier same as buffer? No, no. Although buffer can be considered as amplifier, but amplifier is something which amplifies. For example, we have noise. Say noise. For example, I'm speaking something. When my sound is reaching you, it is amplified multiple times. In amplification, frequency components are perfectly given. For example, if my sound is amplified, I have different frequency components like 2 kilohertz, 3 kilohertz, 2.5 kilohertz. All these are perfectly amplified. But a buffer, it doesn't care about the frequency. It is more of a digital buffer. It is storage, like it is like a hotel or a restaurant. In between, we are traveling. We need to recharge ourselves. We just take our food and we again start traveling. It's like we are refreshing, although we are not changing, our things are not changing, but we are just it's like a storage. Buffer can be used in many applications, especially digital applications. It's called storage also. It just used as a memory also. For example, in your smartphones and your laptops, etc., there are a lot of buffers. Okay, when you type something, this is temporarily stored in buffer, right? Why we need buffers? Because it is temporarily stored, because your process speed is 100,000 is 2 lakhs or 20 lakhs times faster than your keyboard typing speed, your voice speed, your microphone uh, range, or whatever. So this input output devices, whatever devices are using as input output, they are much slower than the processor which is you having in a smartphone, laptop, or whatever gadget. So we need temporary storage to store whatever typing. Okay, so these things are buffer. Buffer is also used for delay also, and buffer is also used for strengthening the signal also, and buffer is also used for memory also. So these things are not. So I have a question. Yes, sir, amplifier change the amplitude, but return the same. Yeah, return the same. Yeah, but buffer is not an amplifier. That's it. Buffer you can think as a digital concept. Okay, 1 and 0, 1 and 0, which is storage for storage. Okay, usually in technical science electronics, it's used as a digital part. Amplifier, it is basically analog part. Okay, but if I use a amplifier in digital term, it should mean that it is a buffer or it is strengthening. Okay, that's all. These things are not as important. So now we come to some circuits. I want to give you some circuits. I want you to draw the circuit in a notebook. I'm going to draw a circuit. Just draw the circuit in a notebook and tell me what is this gate doing? What is the circuit doing? Okay. 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 So you start drawing the circuit while I'm drawing. Okay. So like previously we had drawn a circuit. I'm just trying to keeping diode also. Okay. Let's start a simple circuit. I don't want to make things complicated right now. Let's start with simple. A diode, another diode. Okay, both are connected. Both are giving its input to a transistor. Okay, sorry. Just change something. So I'll start from again. So I have a transistor, starting a transistor, and a resistance, and this I have plus 5 volt. Okay, and I have two diodes. Okay, and my transistor is grounded. Okay.